Hello students, welcome back in online classes of 10th class. Today we are going to start the topic of grammar models. There are mainly 13 models in English grammar. Okay, look at the blackboard. I will mention their names: can, could, should, would, may, might, must, shall, will, need not, ought to, used to, and the last one, dare. These are the main 13 models that are included in the syllabus of 10th board. And now we are going to discuss the first model, should, where we use should. Especially we are discussing advice. For advice, which model should be used? Look at the blackboard. For simple advice, should or should not. For strong advice, must or must not. When the sentence is related to simple advice, we should use their should or should not. When the sentence is related to strong advice, that time must or must not. Okay, now there is a confusion in the minds of the student. Which sentence belongs to simple advice, general advice, or which sentence belongs to strong advice? There are some examples for your help. Look at the board. First example, you should get up early in the morning. This is the simple example or simple advice for a person. For example, we should take green vegetables every day. We should take exercise every day. These are the general advices for everyone. Now look at the second example. The sentence is related to strong or simple advice. Look at the example. Your lungs have become weak. It means आपके lungs बहुत weak हो गए हैं. You must give up smoking. This is the example of strong advice. It is not a general advice for the person. It is a strong advice for the particular person because his or her lungs have become weak. That's why you must give up smoking. It is a strong advice for that particular person. This is the example of must or must not, example of a strong advice. Now the example number 3, you are a heart patient. Okay, you must not run. Clear? This is another example of strong advice. Somebody is saying to someone, you are a heart patient. आप एक हार्ट के पेशेंट हैं, आपको दौड़ना नहीं चाहिए. या you must not run fast. आपको तेज नहीं दौड़ना चाहिए. Just like that. For example, we are saying your board exams are quite near. आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स बिल्कुल नियर है. You must work hard. This is the example of strong advice. Okay, I think you have got my point. When the sentence is related to simple advice, general advice, should or should not. When the sentence is related to strong advice, must or must not. Clear? For example, your train is at 4:30 a.m. tomorrow. You must get up early in the morning. This sentence belongs to strong advice. Otherwise, the particular person will miss the train. That's why getting early in the morning is a strong advice for that particular person. Okay, so in the reference of advice, when the sentence belongs to simple advice, general advice, should or should not, belongs to strong advice, must or must not. Now we will discuss the second use of should. Okay, the second use of should, it is used for showing or representing moral duty. Okay, when the sentence belongs to moral duty, we use there should or should not. Okay, look at the example. We should respect our parents. It is our moral duty. इन हिंदी हम बोलेंगे ये हमारा नैतिक कर्तव्य है, ये हमें हमारे पेरेंट्स का रेस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. इट इज़ आवर मॉरल ड्यूटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी शुड हेल्प द पुअर, हमें पुअर का हेल्प करना चाहिए. वी शुड हेल्प द नीडी, जो नीडी पर्सन है उनका हमें हेल्प करना चाहिए. वी शुड ओबे एल्डर्स. Okay, it is also related to moral duties. So today we have discussed two use of should. Should is used for simple advice, okay, and it is used for moral duty. That's all for today.